welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will look into the temporary connection error. We will see why that happens and how to fix it. So, you might have come across this issue when you try to go ahead and complete a booking by selecting the date and time, entering your information in the booking form, and confirming the booking. And you come across an error where it says due to a temporary connection issue, the booking was not completed. So let's see why that happens. Now, as the name suggests, it is a connection error. It is referring to the connection error with your integrations, such as your calendar, a video conferencing application, or your CRM. Generally, these are the common causes, and at times we also notice that mapping errors on your CRM can lead to a temporary connection issue. Essentially, your booking links are configured to complete an action when a booking is scheduled, but due to the break in the integration, the meeting is not completed, and as the action is not completed, it is giving you the temporary connection error. So to resolve this, head back to your account and take a look at your integrations. You can access your user integrations here from the user integration section where you can see your calendar, your video conferencing application. And in this case, we can see that there is a connection error with your Zoom account, and that is causing the issue. Now, we can go ahead and fix the Zoom error. As soon as we go ahead and reconnect Zoom, the issue would be resolved. Now, you can always check your notification center as well as soon as you log in the account. In case of a integration error, you will receive a notification alerting you that there is a break in the integration and you'll need to resolve it. You can access the relevant integration page by clicking on resolve as well. And like I'm already here in the Zoom integration page, you will be taken to the relevant integrations page. You can take a look into your account level integrations like the CRM from the account integration page, and you can access this information here. So let's try to reconnect Zoom. And once Zoom is reconnected, our integration issue will be resolved and we will be able to go ahead and complete the scheduling process as our booking links will be functional again. Now, sometimes whenever there is a issue with the mapping, that would not reflect here mostly. And in case all your integrations are working or are integrated correctly, and you still continue to face the issue, don't worry. All you need to do is reach out to us at support@oncehub.com. You can initiate a live chat or contact us from here, and we will go ahead, take a look into this and help you with identifying the root cause and helping you solve this issue. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.